Hello, my name is Wayne Desmond and welcome to Sony Professional Media at NAB 2014. Sony Pro Media, co-engineered with Sony hardware, continues to bring innovative video acquisition and archive solutions to the market. A clear example of this is with one of our newest product lines, Sony Portable Storage, a lineup of external drives that includes two compact hard disk drives, a 500 gigabyte and a 1 terabyte model, and a rocket-fast 256 gigabyte solid-state drive. Consistent with our namesake, they are all truly built for the professional. For example, each drive is shipped in its own hard plastic, clear protective case. The case is great for storage, shipping, and identification, as it can be easily labeled for short-term dust-free storage on a shelf. Inside the case, the drive is flanked by two compartments, one on either side, that hold the included interface cables. All models are bus-powered and come with a USB 3.0 interface and two FireWire 800 interfaces, in case you want to daisy chain the drives together. Via the USB 3.0 interface, users can transfer video at speeds up to 400 megabytes per second with the solid-state model. At that speed, you are sure to cut down on your backup time. Straight out of the box, it becomes very evident that this is no ordinary drive, but a well-engineered backup device that surrounds the drive in a sleek and stylish silicone rubber cover, all in a compact form factor. The heavy silicone cover not only protects the drive from impacts, but also serves to provide airflow between drives when they are stacked. With a concave convex design built into each corner of the cover, these drives help to save space in crowded work areas. Additionally, inherent in this tough silicone cover, and one of the most unique features of these drives, are their interface doors. Compliant with MIL standards for dust and splash resistance, they act as an added safeguard in a wide range of environments and conditions. Even though these drives only hit the streets only about 6 months ago, we already have a new 2 terabyte hard disk drive model slated for release in June of 2014. This higher capacity model is especially suited for backup and delivery of large 4K files, helping to ease any data wrangler's worries about running out of storage space while in the field. Let's move on to Sony's very reliable S/S memory cards, the industry's principal choice of solid-state memory for professional HD and 4K acquisition. Sony's S/S Pro Plus memory cards are available in 64 gigabyte and 128 gigabyte capacities and are specifically designed for Sony's highly acclaimed f5 and f55 Cine Alta 4K cameras. With a minimum write speed 3 times that of previous S/S Pro cards, Pro Plus cards are well positioned to support video recording in 4K XAVC Intra 422 60p and HD XAVC Intra 422 180p, both generating transfer speeds at 600 megabits per second. Based on Sony internal testing, Pro Plus cards have a maximum write transfer speed of 1.5 gigabits per second and a maximum read transfer speed of 1.6 gigabits per second. These cards are truly packed with performance. Recording times with the 128 gigabyte model on a F55, for example, range from 20 minutes on a card in XAVC Intra 422 60p mode, that's at 600 megabits per second, up to 240 minutes in MPEG 422 30p, that's at 50 megabits per second. To complement these high-performance cards, we are also showing our S/S1 memory card lineup, which now are available in cost-saving 2-pack models. Next up is our optical disc archive system. Sony's optical disc archive is an easy-to-use storage system that is made up of a drive, either the ODS D55U or D77U, in mass storage optical disc media. The ODS D77U is a new drive that was just released in December 2013. The benefit of this drive is that it is twice as fast as the sister drive, the D55U. The optical disc media incorporates industry-proven Blu-ray optical disc technology and inherits some key attributes of Sony's XDCAM professional disc format. The system provides data storage for any camera codec or resolution and provides ideal storage for flash memory camcorders. With optical disc technology, it remains simple, a low total cost of ownership and proven reliability. Consistent with XDCAM Professional Disc, optical disc archive media has an estimated 50-year shelf life based on Sony internal accelerated testing. The cartridge is designed to be highly durable and resilient in a wide range of environmental conditions. This enables the media to be stored in a typical office environment and does not require special climate control conditions. Each cartridge consists of 12 bare discs mounted as a single large volume with an easy-to-see file directory. The quick random access to files inherent in optical systems lends itself to efficient nearline storage as well as archive storage. The cartridges come in a variety of capacities ranging from 300 gigabytes to 1.5 terabytes. We start with a 300 and a 600 gigabyte capacity, both of which are available in either write-once or rewritable models. Next up are the 1200 gigabyte or 1.2 terabyte capacity, available in a rewritable model only. And the largest capacity cartridge in the lineup, weighing in at a massive 1.5 terabytes, is currently available in a write-once model only. Imagine being able to securely back up 48 hours of 50 megabits per second 422 video on a single write-once optical disc. The 1.5 terabyte cartridge makes this a reality. Key features of this storage system and media include the utilization of an open UDF file system, making it easy to share and exchange. It also supports future drive generation backward compatibility. Unlike hard drive or data tape archive, where copy migration is done on the average 3 to 4 or 6 to 7 years respectively, optical disc archive media maintains backward read compatibility and a secure archive life estimated at 50 years shelf life. Also, as your archiving requirements grow, Sony optical disc archive systems can assist by providing an upgrade path to mid and large media management and robotic library systems. So to summarize, the optical disc archive drives and media provide data storage for any camera, codec, or resolution. It's durable and highly reliable. It's a perfect archival solution. Continuing with optical media is our XDCAM Professional Disc, co-engineered with XDCAM HD cameras and decks. The optical media is all about workflow, and it truly supports your acquisition to archive needs. The lineup begins with 3 rewritable discs, a single, dual, and triple layer disc. The single layer disc at 23 gigabytes enables 43 minutes of HD 422 50 megabit per second recording. The 50 gigabyte dual layer disc increases that to 95 minutes, and the 100 gigabyte triple layer doubles that at 190 minutes. Over 3 hours of HD 422 50 megabit per second recording. And finally, there's our quad layer, 128 gigabyte write-once disc for safe and secure backup, capable of storing 240 minutes or 4 hours of content recorded at HD 422 50 megabits per second. The single and the dual layer discs are primarily designed for camcorder acquisition, while the triple and the quad layers are for archival use and not compatible with PDW camcorders. They are, however, ideal for longer recordings in a studio or in the field with the proper deck. As the market leader in professional recording media, Sony Pro Media is committed to the development of reliable and innovative products that support our loyal customers now and into the 4K future. Thank you for watching. For more information, go to sony.com/promedia.